Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Shazwan bin Sheikh Farid with metric number 066036 from PBI10102 and from group Eco Buddies with theme Environment. Today, I will tell all of you about eutrophication that can lead to water pollution. So basically, what is eutrophication? A major problem with the use of fertilizers occurs when they are washed off the land by rainwater into rivers and lakes. This leaching causes an increase in the levels of minerals such as nitrate and phosphate in the water, a process called eutrophication. Eutrophication encourages the growth of algae. These form a green bloom over the water surface, preventing sunlight reaching other water plants. These plants die because they are unable to carry out photosynthesis. Eutrophication is considered to be a serious environmental concern since it often results in the deterioration of water quality and the depletion of dissolved oxygen in water bodies. Eutrophic waters can eventually become dead zones that are incapable of supporting life. Bacteria decompose the dead plants, respiring and using up the oxygen in the water. As they do this, the low oxygen levels make it difficult for aquatic insects and fish to live, and eventually the lake may be left completely lifeless. So there are some effects of eutrophication. Firstly, eutrophication threatens the survival of fish and other aquatic life forms. When aquatic ecosystems experience increased nutrient, the phytoplankton and other photosynthetic plants grow explosively, commonly known as algal blooms. As an outcome, the algal blooms limit the amount of dissolved oxygen required for respiration by other animal and plant species in the water. Oxygen depletion happens when the algae plant life die and decompose. When the dissolved oxygen reaches hypoxic level, the animal and plant species under the water, such as shrimp, fish, and other aquatic biota, suffocate to death. In extreme case, the anaerobic condition encourage the growth of bacteria that produce toxins that are deadly to marine mammals and birds. This can bring about aquatic dead zones and lessens biodiversity. Secondly, eutrophication can cause deterioration of water quality and limits access to safe drinking water. Algal blooms are highly toxic, and once the water reaches the anaerobic condition, the growth of more toxic bacteria is promoted. The consequence is extensive deterioration of water quality and decline in the availability of clean drinking water. The dense growth of algal blooms, a photosynthetic bacteria in surface waters, can also block water system, hence limiting the availability of piped water. On this regard, toxic algal blooms have shut down numerous water supply systems across the globe. As example, in 2007, for instance, more than 2 million residents of Wuxi, China, could not access piped drinking water for more than a week due to severe attacks by algal blooms on Lake Taihu. In conclusion, before I finish my speech, in order to reduce human-induced eutrophication, it is necessary to reduce the nitrogen and phosphorus load to the ocean, which can be done through changes in the agriculture practice. For example, by restoration in use of fertilizers that dump to the ocean. I hope my speech helped all of you to save water from pollute. That's all for me. Thank you.